Number 6. Kapampangans talk about food all the time. They discuss food while they're cooking it. They debate food while they're eating it. And they continue dissecting the food long after they consume it. They saturate Facebook and Instagram with their daily meals, and they like showing off their versions of their favorite dish. Sisig is not just sisig for them. You have to specify if it's aling lusing sisig or trellis sisig or mila sisig. Halo-halo too. Is it razons or kabigtings? And if invite a Kapampangan to your birthday party or your town fiesta, beware! Kapampangans feel entitled to good food, and anything less is a personal insult to them. If they don't like what you serve them, you will never hear the end of it.
Wow naman! Wow!